Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 12th of April, 2021, where in just a few minutes, I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed down 0.3% today, with losses in most sectors. Healthcare and telecommunication stocks generally outperformed, while materials and real estate stocks did worst. Among the large companies, industrial real estate group Goodman dropped nearly 3%, and gold miner Newcrest fell 2.5%, along with the price of the precious metal. Building materials group James Hardie Industries and Fisher & Paykel Healthcare both fell 2.8%, while Fortescue Metals and BHP Group were more than 1% lower. The worst performer of the top 200 was Nickel Mines, down almost 8%. The price of nickel has dropped sharply during the past 6 weeks and is now trading near 4-month lows. Some of the gold companies, which did well at the end of last week, also fell back. On the flip side, ear implant manufacturer Cochlear was up 2.5%, while accounting software group Xero and Telstra both jumped 1.7%. Cochlear, in fact, was the best performer of the top 200 today. Not a lot of corporate news around. Santos Chief Executive Kevin Gallagher has been given a $6 million, quote, growth projects incentive, end quote, based on share rights to see through changes at the company until 2025. The announcement came ahead of Santos's annual general meeting on Thursday and is a little unusual. The South Australian-based oil and gas producer has been a good performer, but not great. Its share price is up 55% over the past year, and it has outperformed its peers. The bonus payment makes a little more sense when considered next to rumours that Mr. Gallagher was a key contender for the top job at market leader Woodside Petroleum. And a Macquarie note said that if the US government is successful in raising the American corporate tax rate from 21% to 28%, as the Biden administration has outlined, the biggest local losers would be shipbuilder Austal, artificial intelligence group Appen, and building group James Hardie. The proposed tax hike is to pay for big spending initiatives over the next decade. In foreign currency markets, the Aussie dollar is trading at 76.2 US cents. The unit has traded in a very, very narrow range during the past 6 weeks, particularly compared to its volatility late last year and the first couple of months of 2021. US markets were closed, of course, but there was some economic news. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell appeared on the US edition of 60 Minutes, not something I could imagine the governor of the local Reserve Bank ever doing, and said the US economy was poised for an extended period of strong growth and hiring, and he doesn't expect to lift interest rates in the world's biggest economy anytime soon. That's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 12th of April, 2021. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a regular edition of the Fear and Greed business headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.